Lose weight and burn fat with this excellent juice. It is very easy to do, and I recommend you to try it during your morning fastings at least 3 times a week. If you subscribe, don't forget to activate the notifications bell so you don't lose any of my videos. Today we're gonna do a smoothie that you're gonna love it. It's gonna help us to reduce the fat. Ingredients: pineapple, 1 green apple, 3 to 5 mint leaves, optional spoon with aloe vera, and ice cubes. Cut the apple, leaving on the skin.
In the heat from a hot California,
While removing the core and seeds,
I forgot how you looked like in rain. I swear I never
peel the pineapple and cut it in 3 slices. The pineapple is diuretic and detoxifying and will help us to improve constipation. It contains vitamin C and helps to prevent cancer, among many other benefits. Wash it before cutting it. The 3 slices, 1, 2, and 3. Wash the mint by selecting between 3 and 5 leaves, and you have the ingredients ready for your use. Then add the ingredients in a blender. The 3 pineapple slices, the apple, mint leaves, if you like add a little aloe vera, and ice cubes. Whoever wants can also add a little water to make it more juicy. And the last step, use the blender until the ingredients are well mixed. Now it's ready to drink. The combination of these 3 ingredients will help you lose weight and reach your proper size through its nutrients and fiber. Ideally, try it on an empty stomach in the morning, but if not, between hours it will also be perfect. Prepare your green juice today and don't stop training. Start with these exercises. If you liked this video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to receive more routines.